Next in for review is the Line 100A 2.0 speakers, which we've just got in the CV Nice control panel up on front. You've got 160 watts here, 80 each side, with subwoofers placed on both sides. You can see the front there is glass, which matches the far panel, and you've got two speaker grills on the front, which are really nice and have got an elegant design. The same design is on both left and right. On the left you can see the subwoofer there, which is sticking out on the left hand side, and the same goes on the right hand side, the same again, which again makes them match nicely. On the back you've got some ports, you've got your audios, you've got your optical, which is the best way to go. Then you've got your power switch and your AC input there, all on the left hand side as well, and the right hand side just a satellite connected with a wire, which keeps it all nice and simple. You've also got a remote control, which will do everything too, and you won't have to go up off the couch should you want to move. It has everything there, and this is what it looks like again from the front. And we're going to have some audio clips now after the break, and let's have a listen to see what they sound like. wraps it up for the Auna Line 100A tower speakers, which we've been reviewing for the last couple of weeks. And as you can hear, an excellent sound system. I typically have it either side of my couch, and it basically blasts the whole sitting room over. The floor will rattle, your couch will rattle. You've got your inputs and outputs there galore. No shortage of connections, connected with Bluetooth as well. You've got a nice display here which you can use manually, or of course you can use the remote control. And it's the subwoofers on the side that really do a great job there, as you can see. And an excellent kit, not too expensive either. It's going to run you around €150. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll leave a link below where you can pick it up and check out the other range that they have as well. They come in white as well and brown, all different colours. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.